Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook fried rice today because I've been itching for some shrimp fried rice for a minute now, and I decided I'm going to go ahead and cook it. So right now I am cooking the rice right here, and then I have shrimp in here cooking. Well, not cooking, waiting to be peeled. And then I'm gonna scramble my eggs in my little electric skillet and then go from there. Thanks to Walmart, I got some jasmine rice that I'm using. And then of course the fried rice packet, the shrimp is not there. But yes, so that's what I'm doing. I ended up getting rice from Walmart and the shrimp fried rice seasoning and the sauce, actually, yes. The sauce, soy sauce. However you pronounce that, soy sauce is what it is. So, okay. So now I am getting everything ready to be finished. So I have my shrimp. They are now peeled. I'm not gonna worry about debanging them. It doesn't matter. And then I have my eggs. And then over here is my rice. Once again, I have my fried rice. You can get that at Walmart, and it's also up on my link in my bio. You can actually link down below. And then I use jasmine rice, which is this over here. So once again, you can get this. You can get this on Walmart.com. And it's also in my link below. And yeah, so I'm about to sizzle this. So stay tuned. I'm gonna start with that. Trader Joe's organic high, or whatever that sunflower oil is. Just shrimp in there, some shrimp. Excuse my language there. Anyway, and I'm a watch and go person, but I'm going to let that cook down a little bit. I am not throwing no seasoning on there because I don't like the Cajun style shrimp. So I'm just going to use a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and you can get these products also from Walmart, which is regular, turning around, McCormick's black pepper, as well as Morton sea salt. Just a big little full bottle. Got like the sprinkle side and the pour. So you get those two. And I will be cutting these down because they are awful to me. The jumbo shrimp, like. I'm gonna put the lid on that, let that cook a little bit. Okay, so shrimp are now ready to go. I'm gonna remove the eggs from this bowl here because I'm about to fry them next. Alright, and then put the shrimp in the bowl. They are now cooked. Look how juicy they are. Look at this. Juicy. Oh, I dropped it. My bad. Time to clean. That big juicy baby right there. All right. I don't want to cook in shrimp juice, so I'm going to wash this really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I cleaned my spatula and my pan because now I'm going to scramble my eggs, but I gotta wait for it to heat up first. On the back of the fried rice packet calls for 2 tablespoons of oil, which I have the tablespoon thingy here. And it also calls for 3 cups of cooked rice, which is in the pot over there. 1 packet of seasoning, which is this. Then it also asks for 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, we're gonna do that. And then 2 eggs beaten. But I'm gonna do 4 because I like a lot of eggs. All right, and our pot feels like it's pretty hot. Let's get the cooking. Egg, let me do a little salt and a little pepper. They said beaten eggs, but you know what? I'm scrambling my eggs. I don't know what beaten is, but I know it's pretty, baby. Ooh. Get these eggs cook a little bit more. Eggs are getting hard finally. The eggs out of here, I'm gonna leave them because I'm making shrimp fried rice, remember? All right, so let's go ahead and we're gonna start with, I'm gonna drop the rice up in here. All right, so we need some tasty jasmine rice. We're gonna drop that in. If it comes out, let's see. Nope, not moving. Okay, all right. I did good. I didn't burn the bottom of the pot. Okay, girl. I didn't burn the bottom of the pot though. That's all right now. That's the progress right there. All right, so we got the rice going up in here. The rice is not completely like, what do you call it? Completely boiled because I didn't want it to be overcooked. But like I say, didn't burn the pot. The instructions call for us to do 2 tablespoons of oil. So here's our tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons, okay. 2 tablespoons of oil. So we're gonna do 1 of these, which is 2 tablespoons. We're just gonna pour it on over there. And then from here, we're gonna go ahead and stir in our seasoning and soy sauce. Because that's what the directions say. Once again, soy sauce. And once again, our seasoning. Get this at Walmart, link them below. Ooh, look at that. It looks like some kind of, I don't know. Wait. No, I don't remember. All right, we're gonna put the whole pack. 1 tablespoon of our soy sauce. All right, look at that. I'm gonna stir that up. Are all cut up. We're gonna dump those in and stir them in. And then we're gonna give this a little taste. Might be Keithley approved, okay? This is homemade shrimp fried rice, okay? Made by yours truly. Don't that look good? Delicious. Cheese. Ain't that what they say? That's what they say. All right, and there you have shrimp fried rice. I'm gonna put this bowl in the sink now, so it's gonna wash a little bit. Like, it's so awesome. Shrimp fried rice, homemade. Made by yours truly. Okay, so I have me a small portion of shrimp fried rice on my plate. And my soy sauce, once again, you can get it at Walmart. Link in the description below. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on and we're gonna, oh, I definitely forgot my fork. 1 second. All right, so let's give it a taste. Got my fork, by the way. And let's see. I need one more bite. Let me try. I did my thing, Chef Netters. I did pretty good. It tastes almost as good as China A-Go-Go and what is it called? Mountain's Edge is what it's called. China A-Go-Go, Mountain's Edge, a Blue Diamond. Way on the other side of town. I'm about to enjoy this meal. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.